Look around you. Everything has been designed and manufactured starting with someone's vision. But it's a hard process using multiple tools to get the job done. Tools that are expensive, complex, and don't integrate with one another. Something needed to change. We knew that we needed to create a better solution. So we started talking with you. You told us you wanted one tool that would connect the dots between design to fabrication. One tool that would allow you to collaborate with people working on the same project in real time. With Fusion 360, you can take your idea from concept to creation, allowing you to start from a conceptual design to simulation, to rendering, to fabrication, all in one seamless environment. Adam Mugavro wanted to create a functional sculpture, a sculpture that someone can see through. Fusion 360 fit the bill to evolve his vision into a work of art. Jeff Hooper wanted a better workflow, a bridge between a Windows platform and Mac OS. Jeff took a passion and leveraged Fusion 360 as a visualization, product development, and fabrication tool, allowing Jeff to sculpt his vision of form, function, and fabrication within his brand. Adam and Daniel from ModBot saw Fusion 360 as a collaborative platform and a single tool. Fusion 360 allowed their team to integrate their electrical components within their mechanical designs, decreasing development time, as well as sharing completed designs with manufacturers in China. We're listening. We're going to take your feedback and, using our experience, continue to update Fusion 360. One tool that allows you to take your idea from concept to creation.